Hello friends, good morning. Welcome you all in Angel Broking podcast section. Here we will discuss on commodities and on its important levels for the day 19 June 2020. Yesterday we have noticed that gold and silver prices were traded on a sideways trend. However, gold prices recovered from the lower levels and on another side silver prices have corrected from the higher levels. If we talk about the important data, yesterday came that US employment claims dipped in the week ending on 13 June as businesses reopen after week of shutdown. However, the claims decline at a slower pace as worries over the second wave of COVID-19 virus raised worry on prolonged economic recovery. Worries over the second wave of the coronavirus might continue to support gold and silver prices. However, appreciating US dollar might cap the gain for the yellow metal. For the intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 47,100 and resistance at 47,550. Silver has a strong support at 47,400, resistance at 48,100. For intraday perspective, we are expecting a positive trend continue in gold and silver prices. So we are recommending to buy in gold and silver on a dip. Now if we talk about the base metal, yesterday we have noticed that all base metal recovered sharply and traded on a positive note on the back of the positive sentiment comes from the major economies. However, the demand of base metal has increased after the resume of major industrial activities. For today's perspective, we are expecting a positive trend will continue in the base metal. Copper has a strong support at 443, resistance at 452. Zinc has a strong support at 160 and resistance at 165. We are recommending to buy in copper and zinc as the demand increase of the base metal after the resume of the major industrial activity in major economies. Now if we talk about the energy segment, yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices increased sharply. It increased almost 1.69% and in international market prices are trading above $39. The demand increased in crude oil also support the crude oil prices. For intraday perspective, we are expecting the positive trend will remain in crude oil section. Crude oil has a strong support at 2900, resistance at 3060. And in international terms, crude oil has a strong resistance at $40.50 per barrel. We are recommending to buy in crude oil for intraday perspective. Now if we talk about the agriculture segment, as expected all agriculture commodities have traded a positive yesterday on the back of increased demand from the domestic front as well as few inquiries from the export side. For today's perspective, we are expecting the positive trend will continue in the agriculture commodities and we are recommending to buy in major agriculture commodities like jeera, turmeric, soybean and refined soya. So edible oils and spices will remain positive for intraday perspective. We hope that you will be benefited while trading in commodities from this podcast from our commentary. So stay with us for more interesting discussions. Thank you.